Hi, today I'll show you how to restore your data on the PS4. So, first of all, go to the settings, then system, backup and restore, and restore PS4. So, then select your backup and press restore. Let's just wait. And now select yes and just wait some minutes. So now just press the PS button and the X button. And as you can see, everything is done. Press like, comment our video and subscribe to our channel.